I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking your iPhone and opening Settings. This gets you straight into Controls. Once done, tap Display and Text Size. If you prefer speed, use the search bar and type Text Size. Make sure to note whether apps support dynamic type. Now tap Text Size to reveal the slider. This is the first actionable control. Move to the next slide when you have the slider visible and know if you need stronger scaling via accessibility. Now you'll reduce the size using two complementary controls. First, drag the text size slider left to make fonts smaller. Notice the preview sample updates in real time so you can compare. If some apps ignore this change, go back to Settings Accessibility Display and Text Size Larger Text and toggle it on, then move the extra slider to a smaller size. Doing both ensures system apps and compatible third-party apps respect the smaller type. Finish by testing changes across Mail, Messages, and Safari to confirm fonts are actually smaller where you need them. If an app still shows the old size, close and reopen it. If that fails, restart the iPhone to force a refresh. Make sure to check per app text settings too. Troubleshooting tip: if fonts remain inconsistent, return to Settings and reset text size or disable larger text temporarily. Then reapply smaller settings. That often clears stubborn app caches and restores expected behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.